wanted to see me, to keep seeing me, to keep seeing me always. You were the one I truly loved, the one who was so dear to me. Sometimes I was a nuisance, a real trouble for you. I truly wanted you to be a part of my life. I sometimes caused pain and hurt to your heart.
Forgive me, my dear, for not embracing you.
My heart sometimes, whether I want it to or not, even without gazing into your eyes, my inner feelings are like the weather. Sometimes they're like this, sometimes they're like that. My heart sometimes, whether I want it to or not, even without gazing into your eyes, my inner feelings are like the weather. Sometimes they're like this, sometimes they're like that, sometimes they're like that. Opened up my heart to you, I truly showed you my feelings, but then sometimes I would just run away. I put you through so much trouble, please forgive me. Sometimes I didn't even look at you, but I wanted you in my life. Sometimes I hurt your heart, forgive me, my dear, for not embracing you in the process. My mood sometimes, without wanting to, without looking into your eyes, the feeling inside me is like the weather. Sometimes this way, sometimes that way. My heart sometimes, no matter how much I try to resist, without daring to look into your eyes, my feelings deep inside are like the changing weather. Sometimes they're like this, sometimes they're like that, sometimes they're like this. Against my own desire, I can't bring myself to look directly into your eyes. My inner feelings are like the changing weather. Sometimes they're like this, sometimes they're like that. My heart sometimes, against my own will, without daring to look into your eyes, my inner feelings are like the changing weather. Sometimes they're like this, sometimes like that, sometimes like this.